So we're gonna say goodbye to these headlights and the fog lights. Got some new ones by Morimoto, and we're gonna go ahead and put those in today. So I'm going to start by taking off the grill so I can get these headlights out. So I'm not really a big fan of sequential lighting, but I'll show it to you guys just because it's here. You can change the turn signals. There's a connector in here that you can disconnect. And you can make it do this. Not a huge fan of it, so I'll just keep it the other way. Probably gonna do this behind the scenes, but I'm gonna slap this yellow laminate tint on the fog lights. So we just got a couple more things before we're done changing everything out to LED. I'm gonna keep this taillight housing, but I'm replacing the standard bulbs with the LED bulb. Just got 2 bolts that need to be removed, this top one and the bottom one, and then we can just pull this piece out. So I used my meter to test the wires. This is the driver's side, the white with the black stripe, that's the negative. The green is your parking light, and then the yellow is the signal. I need to wire the resistor in parallel with the negative and the signal, and I just have to find a place to mount this resistor so it doesn't burn anything up. Got the resistor mounted up here, wires coming off of it to these connectors in case I need to disconnect it so that I can put a standard bulb in there if needed. Comes around here, it's all taped up to the harness. And I'm going to connect the taillight housing just to make sure it all fits together. So we got another project done. I kind of got into a little slump where I wasn't really working on anything, but I'm back now. I just wanted to point out the new logo. It's located about right here, maybe right here, somewhere there. I had a friend make it for me because I don't have any Photoshop skills. So anyway, that's all we got for today. Once again, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you want the latest updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.